Imagine building a best product and not knowing how to drive traffic. You will not make money, and a lot of people will not get benefited with what you have to offer. This is why learning how to drive traffic is one of the most important skill to learn for an online entrepreneur. This is fifth video in the series of digital product business. I have created the complete funnel step by step. I have also discussed how you can discover the best product ideas, and then I have also shared a prompt that will help you create new products. If you want to learn how to build your digital product business, then make sure to watch the videos before it. In this video, I'm gonna go into traffic generation and I'm gonna give you the science behind getting the best traffic for your business. So if you are selling courses, coaching, consulting, digital product, this video is for you. So let's get onto the screen and understand this. All right, so I want to quickly cover the strategy first. Okay, there are three type of traffic sources to get people. Now, I learned it from one of my mentors, Russell Brunson, and he wrote this book called Traffic Secrets. There are three types of traffic sources. One is paid traffic, like you can run Facebook ads, Instagram ads. Then we have earned traffic. So if you are making YouTube videos, right, you are earning traffic. There are people who are watching your content. For example, if you are watching this video, I am earning this traffic, right? So YouTube videos or Instagram videos. Another really good way of that is your own blog articles, or it can also be podcast. And the last one, which is my favorite one, is called owned traffic. Paid traffic takes money. Earned traffic takes time. Okay. Own traffic is something that you can control, and it is less time, less money. Most of the time it is actually free traffic. And this is where comes community and your email list. Imagine you have a community of people who know you, like you, and trust you. And this is the community you are really serving. You are genuinely helping them achieve the results that is going to get first when you will be offering a product. So building the community is one of the best things that you will do. I run this community called Hub. This is an exclusive community, invite only, not for everyone. And when I offer products, they can get access to this before other people. Then I also have an email list of around 200 to 300 people while I'm recording this. More I will create videos, more I will run paid traffic, I will keep increasing my email list and community members. So essentially, the traffic strategy is actually this. You create paid traffic, you create free traffic, which is your earned traffic, and you take them and you turn that into owned traffic. Your goal is to turn both of these traffic sources into your own traffic. So bring people in your community. I also talk about how can you create your community inside my tribe, also in my email list. So this is pretty much the game that every successful business out there is playing. So I want you to learn this game. This is the secret. Now, if you are wondering, how can you create your online community? Well, you can go to this platform called School. Okay, I have put the link in the description. That is my referral link. I would really appreciate it if you use that. It is completely optional to you, but it will mean a lot to me. Okay, so you can go to School. If you can use the link, it is with himanshu.com/school. I have shared the link below this video. Okay, so if you go to this link, it will take you to school website. You can sign up, you can get 14 days free trial, and this is where you can start engaging with people. You can also offer your courses and you can create online events with them. So you can build this relationship, and that's where really the fun way of business is. But I want to talk about paid traffic, because once you understand this game, it is literally a money printing machine. Why? Because if you understand that you are going to put $1 in and you are going to get $2 out, this is the game, right? So you can have this machine. And if you are using this strategy that I have shared in this video, you are also creating your own traffic. You will have less dependency on paid traffic and you will increase your revenue. Okay, so let's go to the screen and understand this. I want you to go to this URL. Again, I have shared the link in the description. It is facebook.com/ads/library. Okay, a lot of people don't know this, but Facebook has this secret place where you can access all the best performing ads on Facebook and you can model this. And Facebook has over 1 billion people on the internet. So you don't need to do everything from scratch. So I want you to go to facebook.com/ads/library, set your location. I want to change it to United States. Then we have a keyword. Let's say marketing, my industry. I want to go a bit narrow and let's call it real estate marketing. So in the United States, all ads in real estate marketing. You can see this is the ad. Now here's the trick. If there is an ad that is coming back again and again, that's what you want to pay attention to. Now these are the ads that are launched in July, right? While I'm recording this video. But I don't want to focus on that. I want to focus on running ads that are launched a bit earlier, okay? So for example, launched in April, but still running. These are the ads that are performing, okay? So look at this. In February, 5 mistakes, 16 minutes video in the ad. And then you can look at the copy. This is the gold mine if you understand this. And if you have been following this series, you understand that I always recommend putting the link of your opt-in page in the ad and in your organic videos, right? So if I will click on this learn more, it will take me to the exact landing page this person is using. So let's look at this. It's app.bomb.com. And look, you can run this experiment for any industry, for any product. So this is the landing page. And can you see how simple this is? Guide to selling a home in Southern California. In this free guide, So this is an opt-in page, right? You got the idea. Your first name, email address, phone number. For the fact, I know if I will put this detail, then it will take me to the sales page, because this is the way of creating a digital product business. So I want you to do that. I want you to find out some versions, create your own Facebook ad based on what is already working. And then I want you to go to your Facebook business account, which is at business.facebook.com, and then you can click on create ad. Okay, you can select who you want to target. You can upload your media and start running ads. This is how you create paid traffic. And once this is done, you can start selling your digital product. In this process, you are building your email list. So you are also creating own traffic to which you can send your emails again and again for a long time. Now, remember, you do not want to spam these people. You want to be very valuable. I don't directly sell anything to my email list. I always try to be useful, and I have seen people buying affiliate products on my recommendation and buying my products, buying my services. It really works. You don't need to manipulate people or force people to buy something that they do not want. You can create a meaningful business that you can run from anywhere in the world that gives you freedom. So I hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comment box if you have any questions. I have put the link in the description so you can have a look at them. Subscribe to this channel if you are new, and give me a like if you really enjoyed this information. I will talk to you in the next one.